Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the very first episode of my channel, and my channel is basically dedicated to a travel series. So my thought behind it was I love traveling. I love traveling. I mean, love, like traveling is my life. And I've become a new mother. My baby has just turned 6 months, so there were obviously quite limitations. I've been not been able to travel from past 2 years, you can say. Yeah, almost 2 years, because before conceiving also we like traveled 3 4 months prior. So it's almost 1.5 to 2 years that I haven't traveled. And I thought, after a lot of considerations, I thought, like, yeah, why shouldn't I start traveling back? So then I thought of this concept. Like, I don't know if I am able to execute it well or not, but I thought, yeah, let me include my baby as my travel partner. Start with, after a lot of discussions with my partner, I thought that I am going to go to Goa, Goa, uh, with my baby. That we are going to go up with my baby. I don't know my husband is going to come or not, but I have decided as of now I'm going to go alone with my baby to Goa. तो प्लान ये है बॉस, मैं और मेरा बेबी विहितार्थ हम दोनों जाने वाले हैं गोवा. अगर मेरा हस्बैंड नहीं आया तो मैं अपनी बेबी सिटर को, अपनी तो नहीं, अगर मेरा हस्बैंड नहीं आया तो मैं प्लान कर रही हूँ कि विहितार्थ की बेबी सिटर को मैं अपने साथ ले जाऊंगी. मैं ड्राइव करूंगी. मुंबई से गोवा है लगभग लगभग 10 आवर्स. तो अगर मैं अकेले ट्रैवल करती हूँ तो मैं स्टॉप ओवर लूंगी. हो सकता है स्टॉप ओवर विद इन 6 आवर्स लूँ. 6 घंटा थोड़ा ड्राइव करूंगी, बिकॉज वो 6 घंटा भी कॉन्स्टेंटली आई कैन नॉट ड्राइव विद बेबी, बिकॉज ही नीड्स फीड. कभी मेरा फीड चाहिए समटाइम्स, और कभी उसको ऑब्वियसली सॉलिड्स पे आ गया है तो सॉलिड वाला फीड भी चाहिए. सो वी वुड रिक्वायर ब्रेक्स. बट थैंकफुली it's my return through the travel world. I want to travel. I want to travel a lot, and the reason is not because it's fun. Fun से ज़्यादा it's lot of learning for me. तो मैं और मेरा बेबी वेता गोवा जा रहे हैं क्योंकि मेरा हो गया है दिमाग का दही. मैं घर पे बैठ बैठ के हो रही हूँ पागल. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ अपने दिमाग के दही को वहीं छोड़ कर आऊं और साथ में वापस अपना सही सलामत अपना दिमाग वापस लेकर आऊं. हाँ, तो आशा करती हूँ, आई रियली होप दैट यू गाइज लव माई ट्रैवल ब्लॉग्स. Looking forward to you people to see my blog and comment what all I can add, and I can add, or you will recommend me things ki what do you want to see next. And probably I think a lot of mothers can also relate to me and my issues. A lot of people these days, they love traveling. A lot of new mothers like me are in this constant dilemma, yaar, ki whether we should take our babies out or not, whether it is safe now or whether it is the right time now. तो yes, ये सारी queries मेरे अंदर भी थी, because but since I have already traveled twice with him, of course, to his dadi and nani's house, so that's a different thing, because we know that the to the other end also we will get support system. Now it is going to be like fully trip with my baby, and we're going to stay in a hotel. So I know I have to carry a lot of essentials with me, which are going to help my baby, which are going to make his life also very simpler, because if he can be comfortable in his journey, then only I can be comfortable, that is for sure. Now I have prepared list of items which I can share with you. Those list of items are going to help me, and they are basically the essentials that my baby would need. So the first thing is baby toiletries. Toiletries में you can keep, obviously you are going to keep his diapers रखोगे आप उसके wet wipes रखोगे, आप उसके bibs रखोगे, आप उसका खाने वाला bib रखोगे silicone का, आप उसके chaining sheets रखोगे. Then you're going to keep his रुमाल जो बोलते हैं, जिसको आप क्या बोलते हैं, छोटा सा जो कपड़ा रहता है टू क्लीन स्टफ, वो रखोगे, उसके हैंकीज रखोगे. एंड सेकेंडली, कमिंग टू हिज फूड part, what I am thinking is I have prepared small dabbas. So one is going to include rice, दूसरे में I'm going to put मूंग दाल, and तीसरे में I'm going to put little haldi, because this is because I feed him khichdi these days. And secondly, I'm going to pack small veggies, a little portion of veggies in one tin ka dabba, because I'll be traveling in car, so I know AC is going to be turned on, so the veggies are not going to be rotten. So as soon as I reach the hotel, I can keep them in the fridge, and it is okay. I think for 3-4 days we can keep them safely. Thirdly is his fruits. Fruits are going to be handy, because grapes you can feed him while traveling, bananas you can feed him, apples को नहीं आप feed कर सकते क्योंकि apples mash करने पड़ेंगे, but still I'm carrying because hotel में तो I can do all of this. The fourth is utensils, उसका चम्मच, कटोरी, then is milk bottles, and then for me also, because I might not be able to feed him in public places. If I will feel hesitant, then I'm carrying my breast pump, because I need to express the milk. Maybe morning I will try to express and then feed him on the way, or वहाँ पे बैठ के, if I'm in the restaurant and I want to hang out and I want to relax, so I can feed my milk using the bottle. And his clothes, of course. Clothes तो मतलब what I'm planning is 2 दिन पहले ही मैंने already उसका pack कर लिया है सब कुछ, because I am keeping 2 days for miscellaneous things, क्योंकि कुछ ना कुछ keeps happening. We are going to remember, अच्छा ये भी रख लेते हैं, वो भी रख लेते हैं, तो these all things I am going to keep. Let me show you मैंने उसका क्या क्या सामान अभी पैक जो handy रखना है. There are few items which are going to be required while we are traveling. तो उसके लिए I prepare a small bag for him. उसमें I will keep the stuff that he is going to need while he is on road, like 2 pair of clothes and diaper, of course, then the changing wet wipes, changing sheets, and his medicines, that is iron and vitamin D3, which he takes every day. Again, his fruits I'm going to carry. So make sure these all things are handy with you. Also, if I'm planning to leave in the morning, अच्छा ठीक है, इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड दैट यू प्रिपेयर खिचड़ी, इतना ज्यादा फसी होने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज यू कैन फीड योर बेबी फ्रूट्स, राइट? So for day one on the road, I'm planning to feed him only the fruits. So there might be few challenges which will come while we are on the road with him, because it is going to be his first long journey in a car. So to cope up with that, one thing is like you need to do is engage your baby. To engage your baby, carry his toys. Make a small bag जिसमें उसके सारे toys हों with which he or she plays regularly. वो carry करो. Secondly, carry his pram along, his or her. I'm carrying his pram, which is absolutely necessary because I cannot hold him for long, and he feels comfortable in his pram. I have made it a habit that I take him to evening walks in his pram, so he is kind of used to with it. Thirdly, the pram holds a lot of space. It can be converted into a small bed. So what we are planning is when he is asleep, we can put him behind and put him into his carrier wala cot, and he can easily sleep, because that is spacious, and he can have a comfortable sleep, rather than lying on somebody's arms. Maybe it also does not feel very much comfortable, because of course we will also feel compacted, right? So they need good space to sleep also, which can help them to relax. So that thing I am thinking of for sure. I'll dismantle that, and I'll carry the cot in the back seat, and we will put him down to sleep when he wants to sleep. Otherwise, to engage him, also it is very hot, so I'm thinking to carry like water bottle. We haven't started to give him water, but now I'm planning to, because it's really hot right now. These are the only things which you can try to make him comfortable in his road journey. And of course, you carry a good playlist of his songs which he listens to, if your baby listens to, he or she. So Vihita loves to hear लकड़ी की काठी, एंड देर आर अदर फ्यू, एक मोटा हाथी वाला राइम, लकड़ी की हाथी, लकड़ी की काठी, and he loves to hear his papa also. His papa sings rap for him, and he hears, and he loves Punjabi songs. So that list is already handy with us. Next thing is, if you feel that your baby is, it's very hot and baby is not feeling comfortable in his clothes, तो यार रहने दो उसको, let him be in his vest and diaper. That is the best thing you can do, so that he will also be chilled. And while it gets evening, while it just gets darker, you can put on the clothes. So next thing is, you plan on the routes, check the maps and plan on the most suitable routes for you. If you want to reach faster, then you can choose the shortest route. Otherwise, if you're comfortable with the longest route, then you do that. For me, being a new mother and I'll be traveling with the baby, I'll prefer that I choose the route which has the most smoothest road. क्योंकि बॉम्बे से गोवा के लिए देर आर टू रूट्स, एक कोस्टल रूट है और एक दूसरा नॉर्मल रूट है जो आपका सतारा से होकर जाता है. तो आई थिंक वी विल नॉट बी टेकिंग द कोस्टल रूट, बिकॉज वहाँ की रोड्स मैंने सुना है दे आर नॉट सो गुड एंड कंफर्टेबल. वी विल चूज द अदर रूट विच इज द सतारा वाला रूट. Next thing is, you have to decide on the stopover. For all mothers who are planning to travel alone with their babies, you have to choose a stopover, because it will be very difficult to travel for 10 hours long with your baby when you are alone. You will need a break. So what I have decided is, I will take a break after 6 hours. There is a place called Chiplun, which is safe place. I have already researched and checked the hotels there. I'll check in into Chiplun in the evening time, and then next morning we will leave for Goa, and probably by 2-3 we will leave Goa. So yes, you do plan the routes on advance, so that last minute ka confusion you can avoid. So next thing is, अभी से ही यू प्लान ऑन द आइटनरी. वहां जाके डू नॉट गेट फसी अबाउट द आइटनरी. डू नॉट थिंक वहां जाके कि अरे वेयर शुड आई गो, आई डोंट हैव टाइम, नेक्स्ट डे व्हाट शुड वी प्लान. सो वेल, plan everything in advance. Where all do you want to hang out with? Since my baby is 6 months, तो मैंने प्लान किया है कि मैं बैठ के चिल ही करने वाली हूँ. मैं सिर्फ रेस्टोरेंट एक्सप्लोर करूंगी, और अपने बेबी को जब शाम हो जाएगी, सो आई टेक हिम टू द बीचेस. तो यू कैन डू दैट. एंड if you have toddlers, so there is a place called Museum of Goa. आप वहाँ जा सकते हो. They conduct workshops every Saturday, Sunday for small kids. So your babies are going to love it. It's going to be a wholesome new experience for them. And for parents also, if you want to chill, vibe, do make sure that you carry the tubes of the baby, because swimming pool में अगर आप उनको लेके जाओगे, so they can have that fun also being in swimming pool, and it will be good for the safety also. So for me, my toddler is my toddler तो है ही नहीं, he is baby. My baby is very small. He is just 6 months old. So I have ordered for a tube which can be tied around his neck यहाँ तक, and he can float using that. So this is I had ordered it like 10 days in advance, and he bathes in his own bathtub which has good space. So I have tried to wear him that. He wore it, and he was absolutely comfortable. He plays with it, he floats with that when he's taking bath. So I thought कि ठीक है, let's give a try. If I want to be there on the pool, then my baby should also enjoy, right? Why लोगों ने सारी चीज़ों पे डिस्कशन कर लिया है कि हम लोग क्या क्या बेबी एसेंशियल्स कैरी करने वाले हैं, कैसा रोड जर्नी ट्रैवल प्लान करने वाले हैं, आइटनरी क्या करने वाले हैं, अपनी प्लान किस तरीके से प्लान करने वाले हैं. तो मुझे भी बहुत सेटिस्फैक्ट्री फीलिंग आ रही है कि फाइनली मुझे हाफ कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है दैट आई एम गोइंग टू सक्सेसफुली कॉन्कर दिस जर्नी with my baby, and let's see whether his father joins us or not. अगर नहीं join करते हैं तो our Veeta's babysitter will come and she will join us. तो ठीक है. Anyways, I am going to have a lot of fun. देखते हैं. So do like, subscribe my channel, and looking forward to get more response from you. And I'll be putting on next videos I'll be putting on is about our Goa trip. So stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.